Hi guys, I'm going to teach everyone how to make Play-Doh, the non-baked one, and then after this we'll film a disco dough, which is really good for our fine motor skills, which helps with our writing and our letter formation and our number formation. So first you will need boiling water. Make sure that your adult gets the boiling water, not you. You need salt, you need vegetable oil. I only have sunflower oil, but they're pretty much the same thing. You also need plain flour. If you have cream of tartar, you can add that. I don't have that, so I'm not going to today. And lastly, you need food colouring. I haven't got food colouring, so I'm going to use paprika. Miss Fatima said you can use turmeric as well, just to give it a bit of colour. So first off, you need 1 cup of boiling water. So I'm going to use these measuring things here, but you can just use like a normal plastic mug. So 1 cup of boiling water into the bowl, and then you need half a cup of salt. I don't really have much salt, so I'm just going to guess and just pour some in. You want to mix that so that the boiling water and the salt mix together. Keep mixing. And then you want to add in your oil. Add half a cup of oil. Mix that all together. With the flour, I normally just add as much as you need because you want it to be like a Play-Doh texture. So if you think it's going quite sticky, add some more flour. If you think it's going too dry, add a little bit more oil. Mix that up. When it starts to become like Play-Doh texture, you want to get your hands in and mix it all about. See, it's still quite sticky. So I'm going to add some more flour. If you have cream of tartar, you'd add that in now and mix it up. But like I said, I haven't got it, so I can't. So it's becoming more like quite doughy now. I'm going to add the paprika for a bit of colour. And now it's a bit more like dough. I'm going to knead it in together. And still sticky, so I'm going to add some more flour. Ooh. I think we are ready. Put it onto the table so you can knead it properly. The recipe I found says this lasts 6 months. I wouldn't keep it for that long. I think keep it for a week in the fridge. Then after that you need to make a new set because it gets a little bit dirty. And there we have it, our very own Play-Doh. The next video I'll do a disco dough, so we get to play with it and work on our fine motor skills. Thanks, bye!